Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer Purple Rain and I'll be using Maniology MXM077 and 078. And I've got on Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. MJ Lacquer's Purple Rain was polished pickup March of 2022 and it's solar. So let's get started. So solar polishes need either sunlight or UV, like you could do it under your lamp that you cure your gel polishes with, which is how I was able to get it to change, because the week I wore this, y'all, it was nasty here, no sunshine, so I didn't get to see it do that outside in the sun, unfortunately. So here we go with our second coat of Purple Rain. I will have swatch photos of the two, the shiftiness of it, with some UV action. Yes. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So there we go. I'm going to top this with I&M's Out the Door, and we're going to get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping. I'm just going to do some basic stamping today. I'm going to play with some new plates from one of the Mani by Me boxes, and just going to keep it simple. And kept my free edge. And I'm telling you, in this state, that beautiful blue with those flakies is just, it's so Cinderella looking. It's so pretty. And look at that purple. So Maniology MXM077, MXM078. These are the weather plates. I didn't really know what to think about these at first, but I do really think I'm going to like them. I've played with them a couple of times, and you'll get to see some more manicures of me playing with this plate, and that one's stuck. So I've got to get this blue film off. Woody to the rescue. See, he's so multi-talented. We're going to get those blue films off, and then I'm going to run over them real quick with some acetone and a lint-free wipe, just to get them kind of clean if there's anything on them. I'll be using this old bundle monster. It's number 10. It's also considered Maniology's Violet Waves. I've got a Maniology cube stamper and a scraper out today, so we're just going to carry on. We're going to just use a bunch of different images off of these plates. Here we go. Pick up and deliver. So I'm going with the same polish, stamping polish on all of the nails. I am cleaning my plate off with some acetone, and the little stamper gets cleaned off with a lint roller. You could use a piece of tape. I do not recommend using acetone to clean them. It is not good for them clear stampers. In case you didn't know. I mean, most of you guys that do this know, but every once in a while, I hear from somebody that's kind of new to this and they don't know. So I'm putting that same image on my ring fingernail and my thumb. And then I'm going to use like different cloud images on the other nails. And I'm going to squeeze in a couple on some nails. And I mean, we're just going to get crazy with it, y'all, because I'm just playing. I mean, I ended up wearing this for a week, but I was still playing. So there we go, we got some clouds. And it was kind of ironic that I was using this plate and wearing a solar polish, and that the weather was so funky all week while I was wearing this. It just was, kind of felt like maybe I had cursed the weather, but you can't do stuff like that. You gotta know, weather's gonna be what it's gonna be, no matter what we got on our nails. Used to, I'd put on a hollow, and then of course we wouldn't get any sunshine because, I wanted to see the hollow in the sunshine, and that didn't work. So I do use a little piece of tape to go around and pick up any of the image that I don't want on my nail. And here we go. We're going to get that little bit on there. Tap, tap. Any flyaways. Oh, off frame. There we go. I'm trying to get some of this other image that I picked up on the nail too. Don't want to waste any of the image. I stamped it. I want to use it. Alright, so we got a bunch of stamped clouds and rain bursts and all kinds of stuff on the nails. We're going to clean that plate off again with some acetone. And I'm going to try to squeeze one more in. You guys know, junkie got to fill them up. Fill up them nails. Cover everything you can. I just have a wicked obsession with, I get to play in and I don't want to stop. So look, I can't even figure out where to put it. I'm like, everything's full. I'm still going to put something on there. Let me tell you. Okay. Yeah, we're just going to squeeze it on here. Junkie. So I am going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this polish off of my skin. And it's coming up really well today. Ta-da! Yay! Alright, so for some final tidying up here, I'm going to go around the edges with some acetone and my cleanup brush. Looks pretty good. I'm going to top everything with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to seal in this design without smearing it. And then I'm going to cover it with some Posh Top Coat. And this is my long-lasting top coat. This is what helps make a manicure last a week, which is what I've typically been wearing mine for. I don't get to play as much as I used to. Gonna cap my free edge here. And I've got 2 swatch photos. There's what it looks like normal. Isn't that gorgeous? And with the UV lighting. So that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.